Hi, Parvesh. You able to join பண்ணுவா? Physics.
மொபைல்
நித்தி பாத்து நித்தி நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. சுபைல. Hi guys, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
hi Raghavan, we can hear you.
Hey, okay. So we were just coming back from the hostel, right? So just had a dinner from the hostel mess. We are reliving our college lives, guys. Hope you would have seen the photograph what Satish shared.
Yeah.
So it's a great session talking to the guys. So nice. So just on our way back, I thought I'll open the bridge so that Parvesh can conduct the quiz. Hope you're all ready.
Yes, sir, we are ready.
Okay. Why Parvesh keeps rejoining. Vijay is with me today. Vijay. Okay. Hi, Parvesh. I see a couple of entry with you. I don't know. Multiple names, Parvesh.
Is it okay?
Which one should I make you as a host? 3 names I see. Parvesh.
Let me wait.
You have cloned
I
yourself.
think he shared his link. Someone joined from his link. That's the reason why.
Okay. So
The one which I'm talking, you can say the mic over there. Mic is,
now
Which
I made
have
you host.
photograph.
Control now. Yeah. Do you have control now?
no.
No, that is not the one. One
Okay.
which have photo is the one.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. So Parvesh. But okay, I think I already made the other person.
That person need to change now.
He has to change me back, huh?
Yeah.
My goodness.
Jigar
I've made you as a host now. Hi, Naveen. I see somebody, Naveen.
still.
Who is that, Parvesh? I don't know. I made a host.
No.
Now I can't
Wait,
get
let
back the
me rejoin.
You log off from all your devices. I see still 2 more names on you.
No, only one. Only I joined. Wait, okay, I'll log off. Yeah.
Yeah. And then I don't know whether I should get back the control until you join back.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
better you get back.
Yeah, no problem. Best of brothers. How are you? Hope you prepared well.
Yes, good.
Okay, nice, Bhaskar. Naveen Sundar. Is it the first call?
Yes, it's first call.
Thanks for joining. So can you please introduce yourself quickly to the group members so that we all will get to know about you?
Yeah, sure. Myself, Naveen. Actually, I worked for HCL for
Okay.
almost 6 years.
Okay.
I'm trying to switch other technology, Java and these platforms. So,
From one technology to other technology, is it, or within Java? Are you working on Java?
no, Java is new for me.
Java is new for you, is it? Okay.
Yeah. So
okay.
I just want to learn.
Sure. So where are you currently living in, Naveen?
I'm in Madurai, actually. That's my native.
Madurai. Okay. That's
So,
fine. Good to hear that. Okay. Thanks for joining us. No problem.
yeah.
So this
Thank you.
you are in the middle of it. Probably I think Parvesh can connect with you. Hope you are there in the WhatsApp group. So we would get to send you the links for the other previous recordings. Whatever we have discussed, they're all recorded. We'll share it with you. You can go through them at your own convenience.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks. All right. I didn't get. Okay, I'm not a host now. I made Parvesh.
Think that is the issue.
How do I get back the control?
I pinged him to give you the access again.
Now there is a big gap. So guys, it looks like there is a issue. Can we all rejoin?
Yes, please. You can do that.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem.
No problem.
Hello. Hello, Parvez.
Hello,
Hello, is it audible?
you are audible. I think other people lost or what? I'm not getting.
Why everyone left?
Might be some network issue or something.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Jigarshan. Could you please make Ragon the host?
I think Satish would be able to do that. Satish.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, hi.
Parvez yet to join, I feel.
Yeah, I
Sorry,
don't-
I think I've been talking on mute. Can you?
Little breaking. So you're on mute
Is
again.
it? No, I'm not on mute.
Yeah, able to
Can you hear
able
me?
to hear.
Now we are able to
Yeah.
hear.
Yeah, now clear.
Okay, thanks. I think I have Vijay with me. Can see him as say hi to all. Okay, Satish is in another room. I think Naveen is joining. Hey, Dhananjay. Looking fresh, huh? Nice. Great. Where is Naveen? Okay, you can also turn on your video. We can see you. Bhaskar, regularly you turn on for a while.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Sure.
good evening.
Raghav,
Okay.
that network is bad. If more people turn on video, your voice will break.
I know, just for a quick while, Satish, just to see their smiling faces, right? And then we will turn on. Yeah. Yeah, because guys, we are in a slightly remote area, college, and the network signal is not that great. So probably, we just thought we'll join with a low video turned off today for that matter. No problem, right? Okay, so that said, we will get started. I'll turn off my camera video as well. Okay. Right. So hi, Naveen Sundar. Thanks for joining. As we already spoke, welcoming you to the session. Yatish, Vamsi, Lasya. As I said, Vijay is there with me. Bhaskar, Dhananjay, Jigar Shah. Hi, Jigar. I think he joined for the first time. Satish. Okay, we know. Dhananjay, Lakshmi, Parveez. Okay. Hi, Tata. Aparab.
Hi, sir.
Okay, so shall we get started with the quiz?
Yes.
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah. So, Parvez, shall I make you as a host?
Yeah, please.
Sure, you can run the quiz. And good luck, guys. It's as we said.
So it went to Tata Apparao now, host. I think Raghavans are disconnected.
I think Apparao can change to
Yeah, give it to
Parvez,
Parvez
yeah.
Apparao.
Yeah, sure.
Who is the host now?
Apparao Tata.
Who is the host?
Yeah, Parvez.
Apparao is the host, huh?
Yeah, now it is changed.
Parvesh is the host.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can
I
share.
think Raghavan, let Raghavan,
Yeah, I'm the
let
host.
Raghavan connect. Okay. Raghavan, huh? Raghavan, join again.
Raghavan is
Parvez.
not there. So Satish, shall I wait for Raghavan? Or
I will wait, Raghavan join. I will ask him to join. Meanwhile, we will get started with those who attended Friday's class. Sorry, Saturday's in-person meetup, code quality. Bhaskar, right? Who are those two?
Yes, sir. Like me, Dhananjay and Uday.
Okay, we'll start with Dhananjay. Dhananjay, can you explain what you learned on that meetup?
Hey, hi Satish.
You start.
Please let me know if I am audible or not.
Yeah,
you are
audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, so on Saturday we went for the Oracle building to learn about it. Basically, it's a code doctorship where Raja Nagendra Kumar, I think he was a very good grip on the topic. He had given a session on it. So basically, overall agenda, whatever we understood, like whenever you are writing the code, we should be proud of that, and we have to take care of the coding standard and as well as the unit testing as well. As a developer, for a company, it makes sense that writing a good quality code or giving a feature in a hurry and maybe some debtors or debtors item will be there, but you can merge the changes and release the feature. But as a developer, it's your responsibility to give a quality code, test it thoroughly, because for a developer, test has to be a major importance as compared to the code. And then he has shared his views on impact of engineering, impact on a person, impact on the product leader. Like if there is no proper coverage of the code, what will be impact on a business? So all his thought he has shared with us. So I don't think we'll go in detail on this topic. And then he has explained why in the industry why we are not getting a good code quality, because of the one fact that if some new joinees are there, like a new person, he called something called code sci. So he has not enough knowledge about the code which he's going to change it, and then he has a very poor code coverage. It may cause the regression issues because it doesn't have a proper UT test cases, and sometimes a person is very nervous to make the code changes. So this is all like a new person whoever joined the industry, he faced the issue. And to address it, what as a developer, as a team member, we have to write end-to-end test case. We have to go for API testing, and we have to go for unit testing. And this is what I understood from his topic, Satish. And there are a lot of varieties of tools he has shared. One is called a check style, which will just read all the codes which you have written in your SDK, basically IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, and it will give a uniform code style, like whether your naming conventions are good or not, whether you are following the proper coding standard or not. All these things will be captured by the check style. The second thing is JUnit he explained, where I think every developer uses JUnit to just run the test cases. Third tool he has told about something SonarLint, which it will do the static analysis of all the code, and it will give the some complexity, some number, like whether your code, whether you have added a lot of if else on it, or whether you are following any measures or not. So this kind of glimpsing SonarLint tool will give. And then we discussed about the Jacoco code coverage tool, where we can see like how much coverage is there. So this is what Jacoco or Covertura is also one of the tools through which we can see it. And then we have a very good discussion, like whether we'll go for the code coverage, or we should also focus on the quality test coverage. And for that, since we do not have a lot of time to discuss on most of the topics, so most of the things he's just given a clue, like go and read about what is the check style, how it works, how to integrate the check style or sonar in our project via SDK or via Maven. And there is one good topic he has given as homework, like something called arc testing, so through which we can go and read. And I personally asked one question, where how to check whether the test, whoever the new person are writing or any old person writing, his quality is good or not. Maybe he just write assert true, how to solve this problem. So for that, he has recommended something called mutation testing. So currently I'm checking how to do it in my project, actually, is mutation testing. And one last demo we got, like unlocked. There is one startup. One person came who is having one startup. Basically, it's open source, which is called as unlocked.io, and he was trying to solve the same issue whatever every developer faces. So this is, I think, overall the summary of our whatever we went. If I'm missing something, maybe Bhaskar or Uday can edit.
I don't think you're missing anything. You already talked the same amount that they all talked. Very good. Very good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
covered all the
that's
topics.
right. Because all of the things he covered.
Oh, thanks.
Which one extra?
Think he covered all, but at the end he gave like types of testing, different modes of testing.
Yeah, Raja sir gave another.
Yeah.
Okay. One thing that you see from what was that Dhananjay explained. Now let us choose Lakshmi Madalla. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, Lakshmi, what did you understand from Dhananjay just told? 2 or 3 words maximum. What did you understand?
So what I understood is in every industry or every project, so everyone used to write different types of logics and these things, and but the code pattern and everything should be similar to each and everyone, and the testing cases should also in a understandable format, so that editing and using them again will be easy. That's what I understood.
Very good, Lakshmi. I thought you guys will miss out many information, but you guys are very, very smart. If I am in your position, I would not have explained this much. Very good, Lakshmi. Good job, good job. But
Thank
one
you,
thing, Dhananjay, whenever the topic is given to you, you need to first set the crux right, and then you need to give details. You went on with the details directly, correct?
Yes, I thought I will not take much time because of we have already a lot of things pipeline.
No, see here, no hurry here. Even if you take this entire class, if there is something that people can learn, that is all that we need. For example, now see, Lakshmi learned something new from you, right? You saw that now, right? Which means
Yes.
whatever that you talked is not waste. It has a lot of value. So don't worry about whether I'm taking other time and other stuff. You go with whatever that you have in your mind, whatever clarity that you want to give to people, you can take your time, okay? Clear?
Yeah, sir. Sure, I'll
Okay.
take.
So it's for same everybody. Whenever you are trying to explain, don't worry about this external factors. Think I'm going to explain something in the best way possible that I can give. That is how you need to think. Okay, very
Sure.
good. We are talking about code quality. But if I take one lesson that I understand from Dhananjay, I hope Dhananjay Bhaskar, and who was the other person? They all three attended, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bhaskar and Uday. You all three. Okay. Now I will ask one simple straight question. Within the 2 hours, definitely did you feel that you learned much more that you should have taken? Are you able to understand my question?
Yeah, the last line.
Sir,
maybe
your
some,
voice is breaking.
network
No,
issue.
your
Little
voice
bit
is
weak.
not that clear.
1 minute. So we are in college, so it's okay. Is it clear now? Is it clear now?
Yeah, now it is fine.
Okay. So my question to all those who attended is, within the 2 hours or whatever it is, you learned quite a bit of things which otherwise would have taken a week, couple of weeks. Correct?
It's not weak, Satish. Maybe we should never know, because we are not aware that this many tools are there. And I think personal interest will not go and look all the tools. So that's what, like, we got very good information from Raja Nagendra.
That is why we will always encourage you guys to explore. Don't get stuck with whatever that we are doing, either in your job or online presence. Online presence will not make you anything. You need to go out, talk to people, meet people, meetups, conferences, and open source. All three. I'm not saying one thing. All three will will elevate your career. Without that also you can put, but you need to put lot of hard work. But you need to explore. You need to make friends. You need to talk. You need to ask questions. That is how you learn. For all those who are not there in that meetup, maybe you may not be able to get what I'm talking about. But one thing that I literally felt on that day is, within the 2 hours, I also learned something very, very new. And particularly Raja Nagendra sir, who is much respected. Now these guys can tell about him. Bhaskar and Uday, for your information, we will not see people like Raja sir outside. And they are introverts. They will not come out and then talk. When you have time from them, you need to make use of it. And that day, I hope you ask the questions. One person only asked questions. Who was the one who asked questions? To Raja sir?
I asked, I think many persons, I also asked actually.
Very good, very good. So more the question that you asked, did he hesitate to answer you, or he was more than happy to answer you? Did he hesitate to answer you, or he was happy to answer you?
He is always happy to give answer. Actually, after session also I met in the breakout area, and he has like he was happy to sharing the knowledge. Actually, that's what I learned from him. Like, share the knowledge is good for everyone. Actually.
Good, good, good. Okay, now we will go to the technical topics. Let Raghavan sir take some rest. He took some 3 hours of classes and network is also bad, so probably I will handle it. So today, unfortunately, you guys will need to bear with me. I am not as good as Raghavan sir, but I will try to do what I can do from that. So one thing.
Question. Actually, I think today we all are waiting for Feroz for the data structure. So is there any plan, change in the plan, or?
No. We discussed last week, right? See, Feroz class is quite a heavy class. Okay. The idea is we have requested Feroz to take a continuous classes. So Feroz will start from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 days he will take classes for you next week. Apart from that, Feroz will be taking 2-hour classes for you on 8th of July at Arath, the same place that Dhananjay, Uday, and Bhaskar attended, right? You guys remember, right? Say same place. Feroz will be taking in-person class also. The reason that we would like to do it that way is, by far, whatever that we teach you, of course, it will be useful for your real-time project. To an extent, it will be useful for your interviews. But what Feroz will be taking will be the key for you to crack the interview. And we don't want anybody to miss out that opportunity. But before we go to Feroz, we should not be asking questions like what is compiler doing, what is object-oriented Java is, what is functional programming. That has to be cleared within this week. So this week you will have more of a prep work. And next week you will have 5 days of Feroz class and 1 full day of Feroz workshop also he will be conducting. Did you guys get the meetup invite from Raghavan? Did you post it?
It's for
No.
Saturday, right, sir?
Saturday, yes, 8th of July.
No, we haven't received.
Yeah, we received something different, which is there in the Microsoft.
Microservices by user.
Oh, sorry.
July 1st, that is.
One
I
minute,
think
without
July
fail, because
15th.
this is very important for you. Sorry guys. Let me check. Okay, let me send it now. Okay, look at your WhatsApp. Now I have sent the link.
Yeah.
Okay, now how it will happen is, for 5 days he will take classes, and then on 8th of July he will give you some mock exams kind of an workshop. So when you go for that, you need to carry your laptop without fail. It's not like you just go with notes and all the stuff. And ReSession will be completely hands-on. You need to practice it before that itself. If you guys want, you can go and check his previous videos in our YouTube channel also. Last time when COVID classes happened, he conducted the video. He conducted for 1 hour, 2 hours continuously. Sometimes you'll find it little sleepy also, but you need to go through that. Let me know if you guys don't see it. Clear? Who asked this question?
I asked Satish.
Dhananjay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dhananjay. So the plan is for this week we will continue, because what Raghavan sir is feeling is that he wants you to be prepared with some fundamental concepts first before you go there. And
Yes,
after
yes.
that,
Yeah, that is needed actually. Yeah, that is needed. We actually wanted to attend both Raghavan classes and both, but yeah, it's good. If we'll get a full time for Raghavan, sir, yeah, it's good actually. So we'll spend more time.
I mean, when we go to Feroz, if Feroz was supposed to take it this week, but the only thing is that if we are giving time to Feroz, it should be only Feroz, because you have a lot of things to practice. Data structure and algorithm is really tricky. So I don't want you take half of classes and then both of them you cannot prepare. So this week it will go like this, but next week you need to be prepared and do as many practice as possible. And continuous practice in data structure and algorithm is prepared. I have another update also. The another update is we already got the JDs, job descriptions from EPAM, and some other startups also. They have given their JDs to us. We are in the process of just streamlining that to make it different buckets and all those stuff that we will be doing. But one thing that you can understand is that there will be 2 tests that I told you, right? One is data structure and algorithm, which most of the people will fail, and another is coding test. In the coding test, I gave 3 tips. What are those 3 tips? Where usually people will fail. In coding test, I gave 3 tips. What are those 3 tips?
You're asking to us, Satish?
Yes. Last time when I talked to you guys.
Yeah. So you told that we have to follow all the conventional and best practices and no malpractices like what people do in the COVID time. We should not do that. And never hesitate if any coding test comes. Sometimes interviewer will just wanted to know whether what is your approach instead of the correct answer.
Perfect. Very good. In fact, sometimes I ask the second question again. In many of the classes I take, second time they will not answer properly. I need to ask them again. Very good, Sanjay. Good job. Okay. Now we will go to the technical topics. We will take from. Maybe we will take it in this way. I will ask some basic questions, very basic questions, and we will see what we feel and then how do we take it forward. What is inheritance? We will take the late joining. Lastly, what is inheritance? Lastly, right? Who joined recently?
Satish, I think we have not covered that. In fact, we wanted to cover classes and object last time. And it diverted into string pool, string immutability, etc. So that is still, there are people who are experienced could answer, but not people like last year and all, right? So she wasn't covered.
Okay, no problem. Then Raghavan, can you take it now or I will continue?
Yeah, I can, but okay, let me see. But guys, can you hear me out? Am I audible?
Yes,
Now
sir.
it's very
we
clear.
can
It's very
hear.
clear, Raghavan.
Okay, sure. Then you have to make me back as a host, Satish. Make me host.
Okay, so Satish and Raghavan, actually, we have one person, Yadvesh Singh, joined.
Hey,
Actually,
Advish.
I
Yeah.
know him. I think he first day he joined this. He also lost
Okay.
his job due to this
Oh, is it?
reason,
Okay.
actually.
Sure.
So
Yeah, thanks, Dhananjay, for adding. Hey, Advish, thanks for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, hopefully, we'll see how best we can help each other. We'll get you the job. Don't worry about the situation. You are not alone. Definitely, there are people around. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All the best. Okay, so please do catch up the new joinees, obviously Chakravarti and the Parvesh. So they are the moderators out here helping me out with the group activities, community activities. So you may, obviously there is a YouTube channel of mine there where every day's lectures that are getting recorded and we are uploading it there. So including the very latest, whatever we have discussed, it's uploaded. So I can probably share that link as well. You may go through that at your leisure. Okay. So please take a look when you are free, and probably you can continue with the catch up with the lessons what we have covered, so that you are in the same league as that of others, right? Just give me a minute. I'm giving you the channel link. Can I have it bookmark? Here you go. I'm sharing it. You can also be added into the WhatsApp group. Otherwise, there is one more person who called me this evening. I have not really got him added. I'll share it with you later. Where is the chat?
Sure, Raghavan.
Yeah, where is the chat? Okay, here is a link. Edwashing and others. This is the playlist for JavaFest. So what are the videos that you have recorded? You can add it here, right? Okay. So guys, are we ready for the quiz?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Raghavan.
Sure. Okay,
Yes, sir.
thanks. You want to join? Mobile? Mudiyada? Say okay, we'll get it. Yeah. So see, try seeing it. If you can. Okay, Parvesh, then I have to make you. Is it there already, Parvesh, with me? Control has been given.
Yeah, I have given the control here to you. Yeah.
Let me share that. Okay, give me a minute.
If you have good bandwidth, you can continue, or else I can take it.
Yes. Let me check if it is getting slowed down or something. I'll give it back. Mobile network, keeping all the windows open. So yeah, let's see how our very confident, right? Because the college is in a little remote area and not sure of the tower. Let me share my screen. Please do confirm me if you're able to see. Why I have not removed you?
Yeah, it's
Because,
now visible.
okay, I don't. Okay, fair enough. Meeting, okay. And okay, this is the one Parvesh assessment.
Yes.
Okay, I'll share you this link. WhatsApp. I'll take it from that WhatsApp. Huh?
Okay.
Please come to this quiz, guys. And whoever has newly joined, probably others, Naveen Sankar, you might need to register, but please do it via Google sign up. That is easy. And this is the channel that I was talking about, JavaFest ReSession, where all the topics, whatever we have taken so far, videos are added so far, 8 videos, right? So yeah, you can look. So let me know once you guys are ready. So let me know once you guys are ready, then we'll start. Most of us are guys.
Sir, can you show the persons who are just logged in?
I need to log in. Yes, start quiz.
Okay.
Oh, I've logged in. Is it? Here is it. What is it? Dorothy, Dhananjay, Jigar, Lakshmi, Lazia, Kanda, Bean, Sati, Tata, Para, Vamsi. Okay. Yeah. We start the first because I see here guys have Jay, Yatish, Vamsi, Bhaskar, Dhananjay, Vijay, Narayana, Lakshmi, Chakravarti, Appara. Vijay, you have joined, right? Yes. Great. Shall we start now, guys? I think 10 people. Wait. We need few more. Except Satish, me, Parvesh reduced. Another 5
Yeah, I
more.
think no
isn't it?
people have to register and log in, sir. So give some time.
Let's wait. Hey, Uday, you are there, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't see you, Uday. Oh, you are the first person. Okay.
Yeah, I'm the first person.
Let's wait for others.
And maybe
Maybe
new
let's give
persons
it a
have to register, no? So
Okay. So then I think that's fine. Let's get started in the interest of time. Yeah, Manikanda also joined. Okay, guys, thank you. Okay. Good luck to all of you. Please, as I said again, this is an evaluation quiz, not and also let's not discuss it right now. Probably let's see. If possible, otherwise we'll keep it aside. Let's finish the quiz and later we can discuss as well. If really required, we'll discuss, right? So there are 20 quizzes, 20 questions. I'm sorry, I made the same mistake on the other day. 1 minute, 60 seconds, right?
your voice is
For
breaking.
each question. Okay, is it the same for others?
Yeah, Raghu.
Yes.
Yeah, breaking.
Okay. I don't know. It's the same network I am a part of. Let me close my WhatsApp.
Yeah, no, now it is.
Now it's okay. Yeah.
Okay, maybe you can just give it a break. It should get better at it after a while, right? Okay, thanks. So this is going to have 20 questions. Each question will have 10, okay, 1 minute, 60 seconds of time. So don't rush up, right? Please read the questions thoroughly, look at all the answers. When you are in a dilemma, as always, last time 3 quizzes we have taken, the recommendation and advice is answer the best out of the available answers, whichever seems to be the best. So there will be a dilemma, you need to compare it within the available answers, right? So good luck with it. Don't speak out the answers like what we were doing on the other day, like a demo. This is a demo. Show evaluation for your evaluation course very well. All right. So any questions before we start? I take that as a
No,
no.
sir, we are fine.
Okay. Good luck. All the very best to all of you. Yeah. First question comes on your way now. What will be the output of the Java following Java program? You've got 60 seconds. Yeah. And we'll get to see the issue. Only the discussions we may have later. Right. So as you have answered, 1 is the right answer. 8 people have answered it rightly. There are mixture of responses. We take. So yeah, this will be available with us. We can discuss it later in the interest of time. Next question comes to you. next 5 seconds. Parvesh, good question.
Yeah,
Nice. Let's see how people. It's a very good question, actually. Yeah.
the thing is they need to read it properly. That's it.
Yes. 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 And also think, reading and thinking.
Yes.
Hey, good to see, guys. At least decent amount of people have answered it rightly. Nice. Okay. Others who have never been in the discussion will do it later. We'll go to the next question now. Nice. So people have some focus, good focus, right? Cool. Many people have got score 2 so far. Good. I hope we have the new person joined, right? Dhananjay, your friend. Yatish, what is his name?
Yadvesh, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there is.
Yadvesh.
I think it's done the
Yadvesh.
quiz actually.
Sure. It's a simple question, guys. Doesn't really need a. Okay, good. Not so bad. Yeah, there is still some confusion. Okay. I expected that. Okay, great. There is an answer as well in the below statement. If you want, you can read through. Right. Next question comes to you. In more seconds. It's also a simple question. A bit tricky, slightly confusing, rather. Yeah. Okay. Here you go. Yeah. Who answered this as well? Right. I think there's no anonymous people did it right. Wonderful, guys. Next question comes to you now. Hey, Lazia. Good. Dhananjay, Chakravarti, Lakshmi. Wow, nice competition. Okay, this is also a pretty simple question. What, Parvesh? You are so lenient, huh? All the easy questions coming at one shot.
Let us see what's the answers.
So I have randomized. My bad. I have randomized as.
Yeah.
Okay. At least I thought, somewhere 3 tough, 1 easy, people take a breather. Otherwise,
No,
all
I don't
easy.
think this question is that easy. I want to see the answers.
Okay.
There are 2 potentially correct answers, so people might get confused.
Let's see. classes, now these iterators, references. Okay, good. All right. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, this is also simple and easy.
The one question, this question skipped for me. I don't know, network is.
Maybe your network slowness. Okay. See, even it calculates the time at which people answered it fastly, even though there are two people having the same score, but they are ranked based on the fastest response time.
Sir, I'm taking little more time to understand
fine.
the question.
Absolutely no problem. I am not going to measure you on this. No worries. All I look at this. No worries. Chakravarti is on fire, I guess. Hey. Okay, great. Some confusions. Why skipped? People who are skipping is not. No, I don't really
It
feel
is skipped for
good.
me, Raghavan, actually.
It
don't
is
know
for
why.
me also because my timing also not there. I told you, no, sir.
Okay.
It captured the response, but I don't know why it convert to skipped.
Maybe there is an error issue. Okay, let's move on to the next question. But please don't skip it. If it is happening by mistake, it's okay. Otherwise, give an answer, please. This is also the simplest question. Data is way too fast. Good. Ish as well. 3, 2, 1, 0. Great. Oh my God. Guys, this is insane, guys. I never expected. I thought you would have a centum, 10% hit here. I've told you many times, surprised. Okay.
So
Next
that's
question.
why I kept this questions, Raghavan. People
Correct.
have, yeah.
Very simple. I'm not very happy. I thought everybody will make it. Strings are an object we discussed long time, many times. Okay. Oh, that's good, Parish. Thank you. Yeah,
Maybe they have thought collection of characters.
correct.
Sir, why not collection of characters?
That's only the other answer. We'll do later. It might confuse us. We'll discuss later. Yeah. This is a bit tricky question, Parvesh. I think the answer I know whether that makes real sense. Answer is I'm not convinced on the answers, options.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Based on what.
Is it the screen freezed?
Hi Raghavan, you are not audible.
Yeah, I think it's a disconnected.
Oh, okay.
I'm connected still. Can you hear me?
Yeah, now
I'm
we're able to hear.
there, but screen is freezed.
Sorry guys, I was network got disconnected. I'm back again here. Can you see me? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, now we can able to.
Yeah, I made the next question, but it's still roaming around. Give me a minute. Network got. I don't know. This is totally insane. Should I have to restart the quiz?
Not sure.
Oh no. Yeah, it has come. Okay. Says for due to browser refresh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Garbage value. Okay. Not too happy, but that's okay. It is actually not garbage. The answer option was not right. Okay, I know I would have got confused. We'll discuss about that later. Next question comes to you now. Interconnection is unstable. Okay. I really don't.
Your voice is not audible.
No. I spoke a while ago. I don't expect any mistake here is what I said. This question. This is the simplest. I don't know. I hope software problem. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Vijay did the question. Okay, great. Super guys. 100%. Very good. We all know. Next question. Do you see whether you get it now?
Raghavan, code is free. Its screen is freezed. Okay.
Time to bring down the 10th question. Which access modifier can be used to allow a class to be accessed from any other class in the same package? Okay. Read the question very clearly. Hope you also, this also I expect 100%. We have discussed a bit detail in the last class. Two, one. My goodness, there are still two people, three people made it wrong. I have to refresh, guys. You are not expected to make a mistake in this, I'll tell you. This is one fundamental thing where a Java developer, if you want to call yourself, you are not expected to make a mistake in these questions. This one is one such kind. I said that's what you need to read the question correctly. The same package was the clue. Okay, next question to you. A good question, Parvesh. Always a lot more different flavors of the answers. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Yay, no output. 5 participants. Good. Happy to hear that at least decent amount. 5 participants made it totally wrong. That's because you didn't read the question clearly. That was a trick. But that's a very good question. Good question. Okay. Next, coming in 5 seconds. Which component is for converting bytecode into machine specific code? So this is also a simple question. Let's see how many we turn up. Here you go. Yes, okay, decent, good. I'm happy at 60%. We have not discussed at all just-in-time compiler. JRE is still okay, but you need to be clear.
I think
To make mistakes.
it's JIT who is converting actually just-in-time compiler.
That's not the right answer. That answer. Just-in-time is a compiler. Always.
Raghavan, did you say anything? I missed you for a moment.
No, I just called you then stop. This question is list of answers, right? A bit daisy. Oh, that's
Screen
okay.
is not right, no?
Yeah, screen is not visible. I mean, it is freezed in next question coming in 5 seconds.
But here is a question came. Yeah. Looking the options.
Okay.
Sir, are you there, Raghavan sir? I think Pravesh is disconnected. Raghavan sir. Raghavan sir.
No, I'm there actually.
No, Raghavan sir.
Okay.
No one got any question, right? Still in 13 now.
No, no, I have not pressed. Yes, give me a minute. Can you hear me now?
Yes,
Yeah.
you're audible now.
Sure, but that question screen. No, maybe the very poor guys. Sorry. I have all the network, Airtel, Jio. I'm trying to. I'm listening to this question now.
Okay, got skipped.
It's rotating. Vijay. Vodafone as well is not. Give me a minute, guys.
Raghavan, or else can I take it forward?
Yeah, you can. Parvesh.
You can share me that admin link.
share your.
Yeah.
I think it went to Tata Rao or Tata Aparo.
I will come.
Now again, Raghavan sir is host.
Yeah, I'm back. Okay. Was it? So my goodness, we never expected that this signal will have a problem. Okay, I got connected to my other network. Let me see.
Okay.
You guys can hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Crystal clear.
Okay. So let me reload it. Let's see. Yeah. Here is a question. You want to see the status due to browser refresh. Okay. Here it came. 1. Okay. Previous question. Next question comes to you now. Yeah, this is again a good question. The network issue with your mobile system. Colleges, I think they don't have a towers to boost up the signal. Maybe they would have done it purposefully. Students should focus on studies, not on. இப்படி இன்ஸ்டால் எடுக்க முடியாது இஷ்டம் வெளியே போயிட்டு வந்தா ஒரு கண்டினியூட்டி இருக்கு 210 great. I know, but people did not read the question clear correctly. There is one hint was compiled. None of them help you to compile the code. Next question coming in 5 seconds. What is the correct syntax for declaring a string in Java? Got to read it carefully. And it's very simple. It's very simple. Oh, Tata, Parao, good. Come up. Yatish. Okay, nice. Lazia, maybe she lost quite. She was on top earlier. Bhaskar, Manikanda also came down. Right. Such a tight competition. How come Chakravarti is 15 and I'm showing 15th question, he's scoring only 15 points?
So that is my question. I was about to ask that one.
How come? I don't know. Okay, nice.
Sir, after you
100%.
reconnecting, the question got updated. Actually, we completed 15 question, but still the number is showing 15.
I don't know. Sorry about it, guys. Really, it's never expected due to network. Okay, Chakravarti, you are in bonus, huh? I don't know, man. But good. 100% people made it right. That's a very simple question. Yeah, next, go to the next question. Chakravarti is like an Amazon forest fire. No. Here as well, if anybody makes a mistake, I'll ask them to pay 100 rupees fine. With the GST.
At least we ask GST.
Yeah. Don't really expect any.
Sir, I have a small doubt, like class name should start with capital letter, right?
Correct.
Yeah, in 2 of the programs previously, class
I know.
name was
That's a good observation, Lazia. Yeah. But that's okay. It doesn't compile though. It's a best practice. That's all we say. It's not an error.
Okay.
It's the best
So
practice.
that is compile time error, right? Not runtime error,
No.
because there was an option.
Yeah, even compile time is not gonna complain, just a warning, just a best practice, that's all we have it. You can still have the class name in small case.
Okay.
It's more like, what do you call? Business
100%
conduct
is,
guidelines.
not GST.
Okay, great. Nobody is paying fine. No GST. Okay, great. Good. Next question. It's more like dress code, Lazia.
Okay.
This as well is very simple. Just you need to think.
Raghavan, if we keep for one question 100 rupees, we can expect 7% results.
Sorry?
If we expect, for each question, the wrong, answers, 100 rupees need to pay, we'll expect 7% result.
People will get that. Oh, yeah, that's a good trick. Correct. Maybe next quiz we'll have it that way, Parvez.
Yeah.
And see the result. Yeah. And maybe we'll give it to the winner. Let's not take it. That will change the objective. We are not charging anything from anybody.
Yeah.
We'll get the fine penalty and give it to the winner who comes first. Or 1, 2, 3, we will separate it, split it somewhere.
Guys, please withdraw the money of your savings.
Sir, let's buy some gifts.
Okay. Oh, nice. Very good, guys. I'm happy. Cool. 100% result. See, the answers are good. Next question. Yeah, that's also fine, Lakshmi. We can buy some gifts. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Here as well, I expect no fouls. Hey, Chakravarti. Okay, he is like what? Real Chakravarti, huh?
Getting one more than whatever we are questioning. there.
Emperor of the universe. Chakravarti. Maharajulu.
Sir,
Sir, I
apt
think
name.
some
Apt name.
Sarika Patara. Okay, good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Zip. Hey, oh, guys. Seriously, this is insane, guys. I read the question with the pause. At least you should have listened to me. The question was asking which is incorrect. This is where you do a stupid, dumbest mistake. Last but one question, the penultimate question. Okay, good. We haven't covered, but you should have tried your own homework.
Because you focus more on this care, always.
Correct. No, good question. Good question. Make them think. But I did tell once in the class. Good job, Parvesh.
Yeah.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Zip. Six, 5, 5, 3, 5, 0. Okay. 16-bit in memory, 2 to the power. Correct. So you thought 2 bytes. Right? Okay, good. At 9 per people answered rightly. Okay, good. There is some wrong. Oh, what happened? No more question to show. That is stolen by Chakravarti, yeah?
no, sir. As I told you, in middle when you disconnected, the sequence got disturbed. It got -1.
I don't know. Now what should I do?
Actually, we completed 20 questions, sir. Yeah.
Oh. So you
But
got
the
it all
sequence got
right.
disturbed.
19. For me, it's saying 19 only. 19 out of 20.
Sorry, anyways.
19.
I myself
Apart
seen
from
it.
Chakravarti, I think everyone is 90.
Chakravarti has got some tie-up with the Kuzab, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
Something Chakravarti goofed up.
Until
Chakravarti,
11th
see,
question, the sequence was correct.
this is how
but
people will
after
look at it, but you don't bother, okay? We will be talking like that. Who wins? There'll be some sort of comments will always be thrown at people, okay? But anyways, I think, I don't know, really sorry about that gap in terms of the network as well as the jumping of sequence, right? But I have no other choice. I keep pressing next question. It says no more question to show, which I think you also witnessed that. So with that said, I'll end the quiz and see. But so far, yeah, Chakravarti, congratulations. Good. You have managed to answer all
yeah,
the
sir.
questions. Others?
I have one query.
Yes.
Yeah, can we see all the questions once again from 20 so that we can confirm whether everything was happened or not? Yeah, all the 20 questions.
I need to close the quiz and go back.
Right. Yeah.
Let's do that, right? Okay, but anyways,
Yeah.
I could see a good improvement, guys. All of you scored more than 10, 12. Though there are improvements, I don't deny. But overall, I'm happy. Happy to see that you are taking a best possible efforts and you are scoring, catching up with that as well, right? Good luck. Thanks once again. Congratulations for the people who had scored, who managed to come on the leaderboard, right? Let me end the session now and see. Okay, quiz at go to leaderboard, right? Okay, Chakravarti, Lakshmi, Yatish, nice. So this is the good. Okay, because 20 answered, though timing is higher, he is on top. Yatish, Narayan, Lakshmi, they have lesser, but the answers, number of answers is less. So they take both into account. Only there is a tug of war, then this goes higher. Okay. Dhananjay, good show. Tata Apparao, Bhaskar. I know there is some goof up here and there. Lasya as well, very good Lasya. Uday Kumar, okay, you have a tug of war here. Manikanda, he was coming up well. I don't know, probably whether network issues or he did not have a right luck on the questions. Vamsi, very good. More than 10 you managed to get, though you are not from computer science. I'm really happy. You can definitely catch up. I'm very confident. Vijay, you are the culprit, spoiling my network and your network. But yeah, okay, you managed to get 7. Okay, let's go to the questions now, right? Expired quizzes, evaluation quiz. Is this the one? Evaluation quiz assessment. This is the one, right?
Yeah.
Edit details, quiz link for sharing. How do I go? Manage questions. Okay, this we have seen. Next question. Okay, this we have seen. Okay. Okay. Stack Overflow, java.lang, right? Numerical char, we have seen. Because we have randomized, right? Object, null, that's
Yes.
right. Output of the following program, 1, that is right. Last year, this is what you're asking, right? But I expected something else here, Parvez. The class is not public. I don't know. That is what I was expecting, but nothing matches. Compile time, runtime should have shown, or compile time itself should have shown. The class.
Yeah,
If there are more,
So
more
maybe
than one.
the main method is in the class. The class should be public, right?
class should be public.
Yes.
I don't know whether recent version of JDK it modified. Let's see. That's fine. Incorrect. This is where you all made a mistake. You have to be very careful. You read it, you should have read it as correct. That's why you give is a class and all. Okay. Java program. I like Java. I think you all made it right. Bytecode to machine specific code is JVM, not anything else.
So
Invalid identifier with the main method. With the main method.
Final.
No. Final is a keyword, not identifier, access specifier with the main method. I knew you may be confused, but
No, I
public
given
static-
private, but still I had a doubt to final.
agreed.
Sir, I think we can use final and main method, right? We can,
We can,
to declare.
correct. Make it
yeah.
final. Yeah.
So the
Yeah.
thing is why it is not private is allowed is you can see in the explanation.
Yeah.
It is
Main
invoked.
method can be private as invoked by external method. Other inferior are valid with the main method. If you
Mm.
want it to be called from JVM from outside your class, it has to be public. Right. That's good, Parvish. Yeah. Following Java code, I think this is what is missed. Only Chakravarti alone got it.
Sir,
Sir,
I got
I
it.
did,
Yeah.
sir. I got
No,
it.
I didn't see that at all. Array of 6.
I attempted it. Yeah.
Because that's why I have purposely kept from the array from 0, not from 1. So you should not get confused.
Correct. But I didn't see this question at all myself. So 0, 1 to 9. array of 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N equal to 6, not array of 6. Array of n by 2. So array equal to array of n by 2. So 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6, 6 by 2. This array of n by 2. So very good question. 6 by 2 is 3.
Sir,
Right?
no, sir. Array of 6 means 5. 5 by 2 means
5 by
2.5,
2.
but
Array
it
has
is
6
2.
here. Okay, that's correct.
Yeah.
0, 1, 2. Wait. Start from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
6,
Array of
5.
6 is 5. 5 by 2 is 2. The array of 2 is 1. Correct. That's a good question. Very good question. Correct. So that's a 2 more level of steps that you need to do. I think this is the one good question which would have demanded 60 seconds. So one got answered right. Here it is, right?
Actually, they
content-
have given, for specific questions, the timing should be changed.
Sufficient.
Yeah.
Correct. It's a very good question. I don't know why they make it. All the class names should be in, and this got a main method, it should be public. I don't know. But it's fine, guys. That's the best example I wanted to tell you. You don't need to focus on all this. Until otherwise there is a compiler error it is asked for, then you assume that it is working fine.
It is there.
It will be
compiled.
working ID, no, sir. It will work.
The compiler error as
Raghavan,
well. Then it should be the case.
Yeah.
I don't know which version of Java. Wait, this is not right. This, yeah, compiler is there. Parvez,
Raghavan, I have one doubt. If we
Yeah, Maya
declare
Chesa
more
way.
than one class,
Uday is very furious. Boss, I gave that, I didn't get it right. Uday, I heard
No,
you.
no, it's not like that. But
I
it
know,
will
I know.
work. That's the point.
I know.
Raghavan, if there are more than one class, then the name should be public, right?
No, still the class name.
Only
What you
main
have-
method and
I
class
mean,
name.
even though there is one class,
You
if
could
it
have,
contains
that's
main
right.
method,
Yeah,
it should
yeah,
be
there would
public.
one class, more than one class, it should be public. But wait, let's check that.
Yeah, we can check it.
Yeah, I think it works. Yeah.
Should be, yeah. Because I have a latest version of Java. Yeah, it compiles. It's because of that fact. Reason
It's
being,
working.
add yeah, more than one class, then there is a problem.
Then if you want to save the file, then it should be public class
Yes.
name.
No, saving is fine. Chakravarti. It will work again.
But still, it compiles. But
It
I
will
don't
work,
know.
sir. It will work.
Thank God.
No, sir.
It
If
will
we
work.
declare two classes with public, then it will become error, sir.
No, only that
Otherwise,
error will
it-
come
correct,
according to the save the name.
But this is all
Okay,
class.
but you
No,
can
no, no.
use
Only class.
You cannot declare two classes public.
That is absolute blunder, right? But
Yes.
hang on.
two class you are telling. Okay. But here it will be working without public.
Wait,
Yeah,
I
the
don't-
same default only coming to consider, right? Because default package.
No,
we
one
can-
more thing, guys. This is Java version 18. I think there is a lot more improvements they have been making. We got to check on this. That was something I'm not 100% clear on that, right?
Okay, then
They have been
17
making
from
some
it will be work.
improvements
Because
over the versions of Java. So we'll have
Yeah,
to take
I'm
a
also
look at Java
using-
8 or 7 and see that fundamentals.
Yeah.
That's fine.
yeah,
we-
I'm using 17. 17 is working.
Yeah,
So
17 is
without it-
all, anything more than 13 I'm saying, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Output of the following code, this you all made it right. That's, I think we got the code right. But this is not
Yeah.
garbage value, it should be address,
Address, yeah, right.
not garbage. Garbage is C style. In C, it used to print something ASCII non-readable that we call it as garbage. In Java,
I think it
doesn't-
will print a
Correct.
hash code or something.
Hash code at the rate of array values, right? Memory address.
Yes.
There are done machine.
Sequential is all answered rightly. Entry program main
Yeah,
method, right?
main method,
The excitement is
Okay.
terminate the loop immediately. Okay, this is a very good question, right? No output because until I equal to 8 and you're breaking, 8 is breaking. Until then, nothing will be.
I think the exact answer is like compilation error, right?
No, why?
Because we haven't declared the value of local variable.
That is inside
No,
the
we are
method.
declaring.
You have it outside,
We are
right?
declaring inside.
Here you are doing it, right? Here.
Yes,
From the
yes.
for loop, it is declared. So less than equal to loop goes 2 at a time. But only loop equal to 8, we are printing and breaking 8, right?
Okay. But if you declare only int I without value, then it will be compilation error,
Yeah,
right?
because you are starting with 1 It will be 1, 3, 5 odd numbers, not even number.
Chakravarti, we are giving the value in the for loop. I is equal to 1.
Here
No,
is
no,
the
no.
Chakravarti.
I was asking apart from for loop, if we just declare int I and without
Then
value,
it will
then
throw
it
an
will be
error because
comparison.
it doesn't when
Yeah,
yeah.
it will not initialize, it will give. Correct. But
Yeah,
here it is
that's what I am
adding.
telling, sir. Yeah,
Right.
yeah, yeah.
And you
Okay,
have to
everything is
forget,
in
you
for
have to
loop.
make a note that we are starting from 1. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it goes. It never gets a value of 8.
8.
So nothing gets printed. That's the right answer. This is a very good question. Last question, what is an object is a reference? Okay. Great, guys. So yeah, that's congratulations to everybody. How was it, the quiz?
It's nice, sir. So
Great,
sir,
how
yeah.
many
Question where we
number.
discussed like which component is responsible to convert bytecode to machine specific. I put a JIT actually, Java just-in-time compiler.
Yeah,
I
I'll do that.
so there I
JIT
had
is
confusion with
compiler
JVM.
again. Who is that talking? Vijay Bhaskar or Vijay? Uday?
Dhananjay.
Dhananjay, sorry, yeah. Dhananjay, that's because JIT just in time is a compiler. The question says, what is the component that you use to convert the bytecode into machine code? So that is JVM. Okay. Here.
And
Which component is which is responsible for convert?
Converting
JVM is
bytecode into
responsible
machine specific
for-
code. If you look at it, we look at it on day 1, right?
And also we can say, no, sir, JIT is just giving the speed for the converting that.
Correct,
But
correct.
not doing the complete process.
See, if you look at it, this is where, right? Java compiler. JVM is what? After the Java C you invoke, the source code gets converted into a dot class, the bytecode. That bytecode is loaded by JVM. JVM loads that bytecode, then converts, interprets it into a machine specific. That's why JVM is machine specific, right?
So basically, execute means converting bytecode to the machine specific code.
Correct.
That's what
Correct. That's what it is. That's why it's called interpreter. Java is both compiled and interpreter, right? Compiler and execution interpreter. Java is compiled and interpreted language. Here I told you. Here as well. Compiler whole menu, interpreter step by step. So Java is both compiler and interpreter. I have not written it. It should be both. Java is compiled and interpreted. Does both. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Raghavan, I guess Lashli or Lakshmi asked, collection of characters, object in
String
array.
only.
String.
Yeah, let's go to that question as well. What is that question? Thanks, Parvesh. That's correct.
Next question.
We
Next.
can go with the next, yeah. That will be
Okay, where is that?
Raghavan, I will leave now. I need to leave for home actually.
Sure. Thanks, Parvesh. No problem. Yeah, please carry on. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Is the
Thank
other
you.
question ready? Program coding.
No, it's not ready, Raghavan.
So we'll make it tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Or I can give it to them as well, no, but we don't have it ready to capture that. I entered the main method. Which was that? This is fine. What was that question? Which question was that, Lakshmi?
It gives something of characters
The
will be the
question is string
option,
is a
like
class,
numbers.
what data type string has? It was
That is
having something.
Characters. Yeah. String is an object. Even though string contains a character array to store it, string is an object. We create a string equal to new string, right, Lakshmi?
Yeah, both need to be considered as a normal string.
No.
Sorry.
Without
What
using no
type
keywords.
of data it is mentioned in the question? That's why we went with
What type
characters.
of data are strings in Java?
But object is not any type, right? That's what is got wrong for me also, because object is not a
Yeah,
type.
I also given characters.
Integer, Boolean, character. See, you need to always what I tell you.
Best
There are
possible.
primitives. Please take a look. I know where you are confused. Before the quiz gets started, I told you, you look at all the answers within
Yeah,
which you
all are
decide,
wrapper classes.
correct?
Yeah.
They're all wrapper classes, primitive wrapper classes for primitive data types. But this is an object because you're able to create string equal to new string of Java. So it's a class and you create an object. It's that data type. What type of data is an object data? not a primitive data.
Basically,
it's
we have to
object
choose the
reference.
odd one.
Yeah, exactly. If you remember, that's why I told you as well before the quiz gets started. I told you need to choose the answer with respect to the available rest of other answers. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I'm getting clear.
Lakshmi? Okay, thanks, guys. Others who confirm. Lakshmi?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, great. Yeah. Anything else want to discuss?
That's it, sir. Good.
All right. Thanks. Now, shall we do one quick programming assignment if you guys are okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Raghavan.
sir,
Yeah,
yes.
we can do.
Raghavan, I'm going to home. I'm traveling actually.
Sure, no problem. Is it Dhananjay? Yeah?
Yeah, I just came
Dhananjay.
down actually.
No problem. Thanks. Good evening. We'll catch up tomorrow. Yeah?
Yeah, I'll be joining with mobile actually. I'll be listening.
Yeah, no problem. Just this problem, guys. Okay, wait. Write a Java program to check whether a given string is a palindrome or not. You all know what is a palindrome, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is it
Yes,
like
Raghavan,
assignment or we'll do
So
live
do it
now?
right now. It's fine. Today we'll see how best you are making it.
Okay, sir.
Without
Googling.
using any string API classes and no Stack Overflow, ChatGPT, OpenAI, Google search. Use the simple looping constructs and the logic. Focus on the logic building. That's all, sir. The question clear?
Yes, sir.
So AP means we should not use string that caret also.
Yeah. You can use a string, doesn't matter. Use a string, but not string API methods, not classes.
String dot caret.
You can use that. That is fine. Or if possible, you avoid that. Don't use any method at all. Yeah. Don't use any method from string class. That's better.
So is it like taking input from user or directly you can use input?
Anything is fine. If you're able to take input from user, it's okay. Or you had take a hard-coded string also, it's fine. Only thing is logic. That logic we already know. Taking input from user, you know that.
Yeah.
That's again a good question. Who asked that?
Bhaskar.
Bhaskar, very good. That's what I think Satish would have told, right? You need to ask some
Yeah.
questions to the interviewer to get it clarified. Good. Rather than assuming, you should better ask. That gives you a good credibility and impression that you are getting your requirements clear. Okay. Your time starts now. Maybe how many? 10 minutes, is it fine, guys? Now 9:30, 9:40, let's take 9:50. 10 minutes, it's okay.
Yeah, Raghavan, yeah. You can do.
Sure. So here you ping me, whoever has done it. You can show me, share your screen as well, or share the code in the Google chat. I'll execute in the chat, Zoom chat. I'll execute and see. We'll try to evaluate 3 people in the interest of time. Right? If anybody is not able to make it, we'll tell later. Right? Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes of time. I'll stop my screen share as well. Good luck. I'll ping you at exactly 9:50.
So no string methods at all.
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
You all know what is a palindrome, right, guys? Anybody
Yes,
doesn't
it's
know?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Reverse
sir.
is also same.
The string, when
it's
you
like
reverse
madam.
it is the same thing, right? Uday is mother tongue, Malayalam, madam, yes.
Sir, is it numbers or strings, sir? 1 to 1, 1 to 2 1.
You could, doesn't matter. That's a good question. Any string, if it is same, then you need to say it is
Both we can.
palindrome. That's all. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
this is also a palindrome. But yeah, mostly people go with characters. It is also a palindrome. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. At least minimum one method you might need to use, but let's see. Bare minimum what you from string class you might need to use one, but let's see how good you are coming up with.
Yeah, one is required, sir.
Yeah, yeah. One or two max.
If you don't have any idea without using method, then we'll go method. Then we'll see. I will see which tech.
Hi Raghavan, a small doubt. Do we need to check case sensitive or
No, that's a very good question. Java is case sensitive or insensitive?
Case sensitive.
yeah, it's case sensitive.
Case
Obviously,
sensitive.
then you have it's a cases involved.
So then we'll go with the number.
Right. But that's a good question, Chakravarti. Yeah. But you can probably to begin with, you take it as case sensitive. No problem.
Yeah, because whenever you are compared to character, the first letter will be
Yeah.
capital. Just think.
Hope everybody is typing, right? Nobody is keeping quiet.
Typing.
Guys, 2 more minutes.
I use the two inbuilt methods.
Okay.
Length and character.
One more minute. Anybody completed?
Yeah, I have shared it in chat.
Okay, sorry, I have not seen it. Okay, great. Yatish, nice. Okay, others also I could see multiple response. Chakravarti, good. Okay, two have done it. Thanks, good show, guys. See, this is just a logic building, okay? Nice, Chakravarti.
Yeah, thank you.
You already done this or what? Or just you thought it right away?
No, sir. Actually, from past 1 month onwards, I continuously practicing these type of examples
Nice.
for interview
Good.
purpose. So I got it when logic exactly.
Good. Yeah, that's a different. That's why I asked you. In general, typically, people may take
It
time.
will take.
That's fine. Yeah.
Yes. There is one website called Coding Bat. It contains these tons of examples
Coding, bata.
to coding bat. Yeah, right. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
I can share it.
Only
Link in the
thing
comment.
is that we
Yeah.
will focus only during interview preparations. The rest of them we don't need it. Right? Okay.
Right.
Okay, guys, time is up. Anybody still in the fag end of it?
Completed, so you have to stop and whatever we done, we have to share or
Yeah, share it in the Zoom chat itself. Oh no, Yatish, it gives an error.
I did it, but it's not as precise as Chakravarti's.
That's okay. You don't need to compare him. You are also kind of on the same line. That's okay. Not everybody is same, right?
Yeah.
Bata. Okay, good Chakravarti. Okay. Anybody is in the near about completion?
it's not completed, how to do something, but I have to share, right?
I would, yeah. Okay. Lazia, good Lazia. Uday, let me
For me,
share.
it's not completed, sir.
We'll take one by one. That's fine, guys. All of you made a program, the same name, is it? Did I copy it right?
Can use for loop and reverse the string and store each character, and we can compare the output. This is also second logic.
Package Uday. Nice. Wait.
No, but this for loop is not right, sir. Error I'm getting.
There's nothing called right or wrong. Uday.
Yeah, I know. I'm telling.
Everything is a flavor. Okay.
I just to try here capital letters and all I didn't say.
Yes, sir, that's what I mentioned. We can use.
This is what I was expecting. Okay. Okay. I need to change the class. Nice. Razia. Very good. Did you do it by yourself, Lasya, or you?
I did it by myself.
Very good. Superb. Good job. Nice. Nice logic. Good. So let me also show Chakravarti's. This is what he has done. So he has done a logic as well. Trying to take left to right, he is reversing it and checking both left and right. He is comparing each characters at a time, taking two parameters, left and right. Both are, if any character doesn't match, then it is stopping, false. If not, left is increasing, right is decreasing. It's a good logic, right? So it's an easy way to
And
check efficiency also will be
time
increased.
complexity will be.
Yes, efficiency and time compromise, all that. Then let me open.
I think it is called as the two-pointer approach.
Yes, two-pointer approach, which is also the case, right? So who was the next part guy? Yatish. Yatish, what is doing left, right? I think he's also taking the same thing using caret, but this is not what we have expected. Caret is not supposed to be used, right, Yatish?
But I'm not getting.
It is right. I don't say it is wrong in general, but for this problem, I want you to check use array. Okay. That's why it is not right. I very clearly say that method should, okay, she is also using caret, correct? Not supposed to use it to avoid, right? See, what is he using? Okay, he is also using caret, my bad.
Yes, as I told you, length and caret both we use.
Length is okay. You could have converted it to char array, guys.
Yes, that's also an option,
But
but
at
you
least
told
two
we
char array
couldn't
you need to
use
use
any.
with the character.
Yeah, right.
You need to
That's
get a
what I
two char
thought.
array.
It is also
Time
inbuilt
the
function.
character and two string also.
Two char array is a method. You know that string. You get a character
Yeah,
array.
yes.
You could. I
Yeah.
thought we could have done that. That's fine. Okay. At least you
Yeah,
tried.
but two char array also we are also using inbuilt function, right?
Correct. That is one. That's what I said. You can't avoid it. And you are all doing
Yeah.
this. Okay. This equals as well string method. Okay. Okay.
Equals method.
Equals is one. You can't avoid it. This is way. But if you're doing it, you could do. Or other way around. Caret. This what these people are doing. I think this is one approach. Chakravarti's approach is fastest. It will be earlier. You don't even need to wait until this. Very first character doesn't match, then you throw it as wrong. Both Yatish and Chakravarti. Anybody else did it or they were in the middle of it? Good. Uday. Let me take Uday. Package Uday. Uday. Nice.
Yeah,
Package and all. I'm skipping it for now. Huh?
I think it's not mine, right?
Yeah. Palindrome. What is Palindrome, sir?
A mistake. I think I have some more mistake. It's not getting output properly.
Okay. Reach the end of file while parsing. Maybe I copied one extra. Huh? So this is not the right way of, I don't personally like it. Generally, if you bring it this way, some people, hey, to do generate method stub. Where did you write, Uday? Eclipse.
IDE.
IDE?
No, Eclipse. Yeah.
ID, yeah.
I am
Yes,
not
sorry,
recommending you
yes,
to
yes,
use
yes.
IDE right now.
Yeah. So
Anyways,
now.
so much of legibility, right?
Yeah.
You need to pay a lot more attention by reading your code. This is not the best way of writing the code, right?
Yeah, sure.
I can't get a headache, right? I can't expect to get a headache.
Output also is not right. Something wrong. Yeah.
Oh, what is this?
He kept
Udadu.
all those in the loop.
Udadu.
I just given my
For loop
name.
is
and
ending at
tried.
the last. It should be end by next line.
Not,
Yeah,
no, you
that's very
can't
good.
compare it to every word. Println as well, right? So I see where you are coming from, but you made a good attempt today, no problem. But I think nobody tried. I was making this, but yeah, this is a different approach. But I couldn't complete it in the middle. Got called as well.
Yeah, so this takes time. I
2
tried to
char
do,
array, I
but
understand. Yeah, 2 char array, you do it. Get a length, character array.length. This is the first method, of course. And this is what I'm doing, right? Loop. There was some error I was resolving it. You do a reverse. You can compare that as well. But yeah, that's this where Chakravarti's approach is better, right? But I'm simplistic what I'm doing. I'm taking the reverse character and printing, getting into the first character array. I length minus 1 greater than 0 equal to 0, I'm passing. I minus. J equal to 0, J less than this, J plus plus. So this is where I'm doing it, right? So I'm trying to assign that in a reverse order. This is another method, constructor. String of character array, you get it, it will give you a string. And finally you check the equals. This was what my approach. Are you getting it? The logic.
yes, sir,
in
we
the
got
for
it.
loop only
Yes,
getting on this. Two for
Right.
loop
The
we have
reason
used.
why I am talking about this is absolutely there is no right, no wrong. Okay, Aparav, thank you. I'll exclude this as well. There is no right or wrong approach. Except probably if the question says it has to be fastest, efficient, then Chakravarti's question will be right. If not, I didn't mention anything. Any approach is fine. But please be informed of, you should be very, greedy to know about different approaches now.
I
How
think
many different
your
approaches you can?
program also can be done with Chakravarti's way. If we declare one more array with the same
No,
value,
here itself I can finish it, sir.
yeah,
Two characters don't match, I can break it. That's also
Yeah.
fine. That's it. But my approach is I wanted to compare this. I want to take this as well. This is extra, unnecessary, where I can stop it here itself. If this character is not equal to that character, then that's wrong. The string is broken, you stop it. See, before I wanted to try other different approaches, I want to make a simplistic approach and I wanted to show. Do you all agree? But yes, that's the best approach. Considerably, that's a good approach. I don't deny that at all. But all of us are clear on the multiple different approaches, how we can tackle a problem.
Yes.
yes, sir.
That is the ultimate objective of this program. It's not about who scored high, etc. There's a demo puzzle we have given, coding, correct? And you know what you see what I'm doing? I am not looking at any source code, correction and all, right? I would want the code to be blindly copied and pasted and entered. That's it. If any error comes, then your program is not working fine. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So I need to change this because I made this. Palindrome or not. Very good. Aparav. I appreciate that's a good naming convention. Palindrome check, palindrome or not. Did I ever look at the source code?
no.
Of Aparav's?
No.
Doesn't mean that I will never look at it. But for me to verify whether the program is working or not, which string is not a palindrome, Aparav?
No, just I didn't print the value. That's
Should you or shouldn't you?
no, I should.
Amma, wow, Aparav. Awesome. Very good. Amma is a good palindrome. Thank you. I appreciate out of the box, huh? Yeah, very first palindrome which we are all used to that, right? Palindrome. Very good, Apara. I think first time somebody used that. String is palindrome. Okay. What will happen?
Mama, you came to Malayalam.
Yeah, Ammachi, Amamma.
No, in
Yeah.
Telugu also we got Lamama.
Yeah,
Endu
in
parayum.
Telugu also we got Amama.
That is also palindrome. Endu
Yeah.
parayum.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Amama.
Yeah, everyone.
Ammachi.
You get
Appappa.
Amama
Oh,
means
good,
it's
good.
grandmother.
compilation, yeah.
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 Good, guys. Yeah, it's a grandmother. Okay, great. Good. So let's look at this logic now. Okay, length is taking length minus 1. Okay, exactly is doing that. Plus equal to, very good job. I am still trying to
Actually, I
take a
remember.
character array, but your
Yeah.
string plus equal to concatenation. This is also a good logic. But more or less you are on the same track of mine, but the different flavor you have used up or out. Good. So this
Yeah,
is
I
also
mean,
a good.
in the last time class you mentioned instead of S
Correct,
plus.
correct. Very good, Apara. Good job, good program. So I think this is yours is also a very good program. This somewhere you should get a length or one method at least you should use. Here equals ignores case you have used 1 or 2 you will be struggling. That's what I said. Minimum 2 methods we would use it. But I would still prefer you take a care or probably I'll share my thoughts in this. All of yours are right. But let's look at the problem. All of you are clear or any questions on this, guys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
All of us are clear? Who is sharing some programs?
Yes.
I
One
got
only
it.
I tried, but for loop I didn't close.
Sorry?
No, this approach
That's okay.
upper
That's okay.
return, that was the idea.
Let's try Lakshmi's yes palindrome. Good name. I got error. Let's look at that, Lakshmi. Results not equal to while length. Illegal start of expression. You can't start with while. Result equal, you cannot assign it. Okay. Lakshmi. This result cannot come from while. You get it? That's all. Here you need to, instead of return true, it's not a function. You need to understand that. Instead of return false, what you can do?
A result equal to false. You can.
Correct. That's it. Somewhere it is breaking, you say break. Otherwise, what you can make here? You all attended a quiz called break, right?
Yes, Raghunath.
Result equal to. Okay. Finally, you say if result equal to is palindrome or not a palindrome. All right, Lakshmi?
Yes, sir.
It's always good to initialize a value.
Equal to false.
Though it has be default to false, it's always good to initialize.
Okay.
My goodness, what happened?
Start,
End plus plus. Why?
Sorry, it is end
bracket or
minus
something
minus. End minus minus start plus plus.
That is okay, but it shouldn't give illegal error. That's a runtime error.
I feel that is not declared. Start and end.
Variable cannot find symbol scanner.
That is not declared, I feel. Start and end.
Scanner import.
Yes, declare, but
Zero.
Yeah, end is not declared. Lakshmi.
Yeah, data type is not declared. I think. Data type for start
Yeah,
and end.
no, correct.
Yeah.
Maybe you are in a hurry. Name dot caret is not equals. For a character, you cannot check that. Java text dot scanner.
Equal to. Yeah.
Scanner is Java.util. Sorry.
Utils.
Yes, sir. Java.util.
Yeah. X is for formatting. Okay. This is it's a
Dot
character you
equals
need to
is
check
string
with
math.
is equal to Lakshmi. Okay. You need to check is equal to character. Yeah. Okay. Out of mode exceptions, something you
I think
line
for loop.
19. Yeah. Why length not equal to 0?
Why?
You should check not equal to 0, greater than 0. That should be fine.
Oh,
Sir.
No, still out of mode exception. Line 19 caret. What are you doing?
Maybe the length check.
Sir, length is declared with
Just one moment.
okay.
End equal to
Sir,
length
then
minus
it will
1.
be wrong. Yeah. Length -1 we should take, right? First parameter.
End equal to length
Length
minus
is take
0. Okay.
yeah.
Length minus 1. You are reducing length here or not?
I think she's not reducing.
Sir,
Where
I'm
is
taking start and end concept and ending minus and start plus plus.
Then we have to reduce.
length is in not length equal to 0 then. Sorry, end equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Length minus 1 you take less than equal to 0.
Yeah.
All right. Nice. Okay, very good. Lakshmi, your program is corrected. All right. So,
yes, sir.
Any questions, guys? From anybody?
No, Raghav, I'm good.
No, sir.
Look
Clear.
at the problem statement. Write a Java program to check whether the given string is a palindrome or not without using any string API methods. Generally, I told you, but yes, you can't totally avoid. I agree. Maybe I should rephrase it as well. Probably for so in that case, this is what the program basically expects. When you are iterating, iteration is a very basic, right? It also says it's a what is that? Simple looping constructs and focus on the logic building, right? So that is why I have chosen this as an array looping, user looping with this individual character element. Whoever is doing it, that is what I would give more credits or weightage. Using a loop, simple looping construct and build a logic. Make sense? Ideally speaking, there is a method called string.reverse. Anybody knows that?
Yes.
So that
Anybody
will be
knows that?
one line of code.
Yes.
But I give extra credit for the people. I think last year, others as well, you get the input from the user, making it customizable. I didn't tell you that, but you made that extra. So you get some brownie points for that. Okay. Though the program did not ask it, but you made it configurable, correct? Re-executable. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why? Line 6. Reverse. Why? I don't have it or not.
Do we need to use string buffer? Yeah.
The string buffer? String.
Yes. String buffer object
Buffer.
has to be created.
Yes, sir. We need to change it.
And string buffer. My bad. That's correct. Not some, yeah, dart reverse. Yeah, here you go. That's correct, Lassie. Thanks. So what you could do?
Create a string builder object here.
Yes, dot reverse. Dot.
String buffer had builder.
It's a method, right? Reverse is a method. String buffer is fine. Builder is also okay. It's a simple
Okay.
string, right? Not too very much. Yeah. Okay, now you get to see the result. So this is how
Yes,
people
yes,
do it generally, but that's not the smartest way, right? People think they are doing a smart work. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
People
sir.
think that they are doing the smart work by calling the reverse method of API. Then they'll simply compare it, but that is not what is expected out of. Clear? So the first thing is for the problem, the solving logic. One, you need to explicitly iterate the string character by character. Either you finish the iterating complete from end to start to end, or you think in a better way in terms of an efficiency what Chakravarti and Yatish or who is that other person who are written, where you break it at the earliest occasion. It's a fantastic program in terms of execution speed wise. But that is not really asked for. So it's also explicitly says use the looping construct. So that is what you should be focusing, using a looping where you exactly meet out the requirement what they ask for. So Chakravarti, you get extra brownie point of your logic because you are trying to bring in an efficiency, though it is not asked for. So there's an extra score. Likewise, Lakshmi, in the last year, you made it customizable, configurable, right? Like my program as well be. If you look at it, what I did something different. Did anybody notice it? Can somebody tell me? Mine is a bit different from all of you. My version of the program.
Converted into character array.
Okay, very good. That is one. Nobody has done it. But I wanted that. We are taking the string into a character array. Good. Anything else? Do you observe? My
Looks
version
like
of
taking from command line inputs. Start length.
There you are. But is that all, Bhaskar? I'm just taking the command line input or not? It's
No,
got
you
an error.
already
Obviously, it's giving me
declaring
compiler
default
error.
value.
Sorry?
Already declare the value.
String value already default. If it is not greater than 1.
Yes.
Okay, your code will work for both argument input or by simply giving a
Very
Java command
good,
also it will work.
Chakravarti. Yes, good observation. I make two inputs. If there is an input, it will take that input. If not, what it will take?
Madam, a normal
yes.
default input.
Default string. Yes or no?
Yeah. Now get it.
Yes,
Yes
yes.
or no? That's a good observation, right? Let me see whether I get it. Okay. Did I pass any input?
No.
No.
I know whether it is. Yeah. Do you see that? My code, my program?
Yeah.
This is my own
Yeah.
value, guys.
Yes.
Bit more on top of what Lakshmi did. Yes or no?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
What way it is getting enhanced? The user can pass an input if he wants, or it will work with the default value as well. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And I'm using a 2char array. This is a default method that gives a string into a set of arrays to a character array. and I'm looping. If I bring this to the logic of Chakravartis, this can be overall collectively a best version of the output program. Yes or no? You all agree with me? You all agree with me?
Yes, right.
Because I'm making a customization, also having a default input, I'm breaking that into a 2-char array and iterating the array. This is what the main point. If anybody has not done that, your score will be totally lesser here. This is what is primary, and this is what I expected here as well. And here I tried to do that with a new string, totally give end to end. I'm doing it, but I would take Chakravarti's logic. And who was the other person? Yatish, is it? Both were trying to do that.
Yes.
Start right to left, right to left. That's a good logic. Both of them, if I take it, this would be the best of all. I hope you would agree with me, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So, okay, let me do that. This is version 1. Because of this. What happened?
There is column down.
My goodness. Because I press escape, I need to change the shortcut key. This comes to the end. All right. So I would
Yes.
do version 2. All right. What we can do now? So rather than taking all these array, caret array, etc., I don't need all this. I don't need it. I need this. If same thing, array J plus plus not equal to array. Yes or no? The same logic what he has used. Then what do I do?
Return false.
Sorry, bracket.
Iterative.
And then I'll break it. All right. I don't need any of them. I will simply say this ulta. What is that ulta? Yes or no? I would remove this as well. I don't need anything junk. What happened? Oh, target array. I don't need a target array. I can.
And break will only break. Okay, okay.
Yeah, array itself I can compare. Same
The
array.
for loop only. And the thing is, the break will only break the for loop only, right? It will print next system out println also.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Yeah, yeah. Makes sense. Sorry, my bad. That's correct.
I think
What
we
we
need
can
to
do?
condition, Boolean condition or something. Yeah.
Anyways, it will be printing then. Correct. Makes sense.
Yeah.
I would make it as. I will send it to true here. Assuming that it will be true initially, I'll bring it here. Then I think I can print those itself.
If is palindrome. Okay.
That's all, sir. Why you send out? Make sense?
Yes, sir.
I think we need to evaluate condition, right?
It's directly true or false. We are printing it over there.
Yeah. Yeah. So what I'm making here? Just declaring on array, getting into a string array dot with the dot two char array. Then same array, I take two different pointers. I starting from the end, j starting from the beginning, right? If j plus plus, I minus minus, I is minus minus here, is not equal to matching. First character, one character doesn't match, then I say false and the break, I take it as slow, right? If every character is matching, then I'm okay with it. I say this is true. Same logic.
Yes.
Makes sense, guys?
Yes. Yes, Raghu.
All right, any questions?
No, Raghu.
So we will probably have a similar round, but not to discuss a problem coding round. Tomorrow we'll have it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I think Parvesh couldn't prepare that. We will have it tomorrow. Okay. So let's continue with the class now. I want what, or we'll break it. We'll see tomorrow. I think we didn't have a break at all today. Somehow it went interesting and we continued. So three options. We'll continue, finish off some time and stop it, or we'll break it and can start, or we'll totally stop it. See you tomorrow.
So we can continue.
Okay, thanks, Lakshmi. How many says continue? We need to take a poll, huh? Chakravarti. Okay, how many says continue? Yeah. Okay, only Lakshmi. How many says take a break and continue? Or how many says totally stop for the day? Tomorrow we'll see. Guys, you need to say one thing at least. You cannot be totally
stop tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Option 3.
Tomorrow. Okay, boss. I think you're exhausted. Okay, no problem. Okay, sure then. But I hope it was useful, right, guys? You are able to evaluate it.
Yes,
sir,
How
it
do
was.
you stand? The problem solving logic as well. I just thought that's the reason we will spend some time today so that you would understand what is the question that's being asked, where are we focusing, what are the extra things that we could do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you then. Take care. We'll catch up again tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah,
Have a
okay.
good day. Bye bye.
thank you.
See you.
Yeah.